It's time for Top That Trade. Alan Knuckman, the Chief Market Strategist at BullseyeOption.com, and Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network News contributor, are here for our Trader Game. Round one, cuts coming. Traders are talking rate cuts by the Fed, and cuts could come to real estate commissions. Is it time to buy real estate stocks?
Well, truth be told, the Fed is going to be cutting rates. They're not raising rates anymore. That's what the markets are telling. So that's very much a positive. It's just not necessarily anytime soon. All right. Let's talk about real estate. Real estate's been a conundrum forever, where real estate agents get a very, very fat commission, and especially now with housing prices, way up. I think people are starting to realize that it's a little bit, I wouldn't say unfair, but I would say it's not capitalism at its finest. So I think cutting real estate agents' rates is going to help out real estate stocks, and we've seen some stocks do very, very well. If you look at the U.S. real estate index, it's 30% off 2021, but it's had a pretty healthy comeback here, and it's above the midpoint. If you look at the home builders index, the home builders index has had a full V recovery, went from 80 down to 60, now back up to 80. So that targets a breakout back up at 120. So it's got a PE of 12. So it looks like these stocks could really benefit from something like this.
It was only a matter of time when real estate commissions came down. And in fact, in our industry, of course, we've seen the same thing. Commissions for commodity trading used to be very high. Now they're very low. And part of that is changing technology, right? When you go on real estate, it's not like the old days where you had an agent that had to search, the different areas to find you a house. You can find these online now, right?
Round two, onion markets stink. This could actually be a bonus round question. Trading onion futures has been banned. Why?
Back in the day, years ago, they brought a lawsuit against the futures exchanges when they traded onions because the producers were blaming the futures markets for creating volatility.
Alan, what's your take on this smelly topic?
To get back to Phil's premise here, actually part of it was there were some guys that tried to corner the markets and they bought up all the cash onions.
That was potatoes.
They cornered the markets
on potatoes, I think.
It's true. It happened with onions, and cornering the market, never good. Next up, round number three, party like it's 1990. UBS says, do not rule out an economic boom. Are you putting on your party hat?
And I really enjoyed the 1990s. I really enjoyed that. So I would not rule that out. That's for sure.
I'm surprised he remembers the 1990s, but hey, that's a different story. Getting back to this, this boom, there's a prediction that we're going to get another go thing. I'm absolutely in that camp.
This is turning into the Food Channel. Here's your bonus round question for today. Heinz has a new ketchup. Is it flavored with pickles, onions, or mustard?
I would say all of the above. That would save a lot of money, right?
You can put it all in one bucket. Just call it bucket ketchup.
The correct answer is pickles, but I think you guys gave Heinz a brilliant idea. Business First AM will be right back.
Everything ketchup, just everything. Everything you got, put it in the ketchup.
Except for hot dogs. That's banned in Chicago.
Right.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.